Morning. Let's see if we can find some hidden rubbish in here. Morning, Ray. How you doing? Oh, wow. Oh. What's that, saucepan? It's not cast iron saucepan. Is that in one piece? Oh, it's got a hole in it. Oh no. Peekaboo. Oh well. That'd have been a nice little pot in its day. Oh well. What you found, mate?
We got a penny.
Hey, you got a penny. You got a penny, 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 penny. Such a scaffold. Yep, scaffolding. Oh, got it. It's a bike, bolt, whatever that is. Interesting. Well, that ain't metal. Come out, wherever you are. Come on. Oh, I think I just freed it up. Oh, wow. This is mad. I think I've got it. Oh, that'd be what it was. Oh. Oh, what is that? Wow. Oh, I knew there was something in there. Fisherman has got snagged on here because I've just found your fishing lure, mate. God, it stinks. Whatever it is, it's all full up with mud. Oh, it's a jacket. Oh, it's a good job that's out. I got a fishing lure out of it. What do we reckon that is? I don't know. But that's just taken me a while to get out. And a couple of other little bits on here as well. Oh, it's a fork handle. Or spade handle. Maybe. Huh? Oh, okay. Another bit. Whew. Oop. Get a bit of rubbish before it sinks. No. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I got a penny, got a penny. Oh, nice one. Oh, spinner and a hook. Oh, little bell on there, no.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Very nice. Oh, what you found, mate?
Well,
quite a selection of stuff. Pole, bar, bit of chain. Ding ding.
yeah, 2 date vapes,
Oh,
shotgun cartridge,
oh wow. Cool. Nice.
Bosch spark plug.
All right, cool.
I don't know what that is.
Looks like part of a toy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this is a catch of some description.
Oh, cool.
And some nail tin and I've just got little bits in there.
Oh, you've got a big old massive, that's a barrel top. Yeah. Ah, right. Okay. Okay. That's your computer. There you go. Got a bit of a clean up job, haven't we?
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
No problem, mate. Cool. What's that in? Is that a bit of chimney? Bit thin for a chimney. Looks more like exhaust. Bit fat for an exhaust. Oh well. Well, we ain't got that much out, but at least the boats ain't going to eat that stuff. Good to report. It's fairly clean. Should we see what's up the other end?
Yeah.
Yeah? 3,
2,
1, jump. Hey, how's it going? Got Richard and Chantal with us. Should we see what's in this bit?
Yep.
Yay!
Cool, let's go.
Good dipping.
You need a hand?
yeah.
Yes, please.
Alright, let me come in between then.
Super, super. Thank you.
There you go. So I've just done that to myself. Oh, you stuck and all.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, there you go. It's got a bit of hole in it, but that, my friend, is a World War II.
Cool, isn't it?
That is cool. It's a cool find, mate.
It is, mate.
I can't seem to find it now. Right, so with the magnet, you see it's lifting something up just there. Look. So if you hold it at the where it is now, I should be able to try and hook whatever it's lifting. It's coming up. Oof.
What is that, mate?
Whoa, I nearly went in then. There we go.
All that, look.
Whoa. Whoa.
Been mangled.
There we go. That's what I've been bouncing on for the last 5 minutes. Cool.
Well and truly mangled, isn't it?
Isn't it? What's that? What is that? Is that part of a barrel or something? Just pulled that out of down there, and I'm pretty certain, I put money on it, that it's a boat prop that's but mangled it up, that keeps hitting it. So I've saved you a job. Alright? Have a lovely day. Oh. Wow. So what is this? Is it just a lump of metal? Or is it a sign? Or what? I don't know. Oh. Sheet still. Wow, there's literally rubbish everywhere. Oh. Ding, ding. Hey. Ding ding. I wonder what that is. Don't know. Just bits and pieces. I keep forgetting this thing's magnetic. Oh. Oh, I think I know what that is. Yeah, I think I've got a bit of canister shot there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool. Nice. Oh, chuff with that.
Well done.
Nice one. Oh! Ow. Oops. Might be alright. Oh, I got that out. Pretty sure that's chimney.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Bit of chimney, nice. Oh.
Nothing bad nick actually there.
That's right, might be reusable. Oh, that'll be it. Oh, we got a penny. Nice. Ding ding. That's a big one. I got one like that. Oh no, I got a flat one.
Oh, a fat one. Ding ding.
You said it. Ding ding. Oh.
It's another one of those pieces of slag.
Yeah. There you go. Cool. I think that's half an ingot.
Yeah.
Nice. What's that in? Is that half a cannonball? Hmm. Hmm. I might have to look into that. I'm not actually sure. It does look suspiciously like half a cannonball.
I've
What have you done? You've been at the makeup again.
Yeah. I got my umbrella.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, what was?
Wow, should we show you what we got? Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. These are pretty cool. Ricky's helmet and log splitter. We've got a load of lures, and that needs a little bit more investigation. We think it's half a cannonball, or it could be the mould or something. Ricky's hammer, and oh look, bit of grape shot, lovely. Milk churn, all them poles, dinner trays, chimney off a barge, and all this stuff as well. Yeah, we've had a fantastic day. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!
Morning! Thanks for joining. Fancy watching another one? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, ding ding, so you can stay updated on new videos. Also, come join us for Monday Night Lives at 8 p.m. We've got news, giveaways, and good times.